G'day guys, it is 11:38 a.m. here, New York time, and I wanted to do an update. We have a rolling votes for the control of Congress at the moment. The title of the news here is US casting votes as the Republicans seek control of Congress. Obviously, we've had some issues with the US economy, and during this voting period, we've come to a important area on the chart here, at least for the Dow Jones Index, and we discussed that in this morning's analysis. Was 0.4, and we were starting back down here around 32,741 at the open. Again, I said it looked like a bullish setup, a bullish pullback, and that has been confirmed by lunch. Now we are penetrating 0.4 here, so we've got this overhead resistance line that has had 4 touches on it. Super simple channeling on the daily, but that is a pattern, and we are now questioning that pattern with a bullish conjecture to the future. So 0.4 is being penetrated at the moment, okay? And what this means is we could have a break to the upside now, and then a fall back, obviously down. But either way, if you look at the chart zoomed out, it's looking bullish at the moment. Again, if I don't get a hard sell soon, we could very well get a hard sell in the next couple of days. This could be exhaustion, and then we have the crash back down here for the next wave. But very important area at the moment. I'm not trading at the moment. We can see here zoomed in on the 4 hour. This supply zone 33,500 is being tested right now. We're very close to 33,500, and we are penetrating this overhead resistance, sliding resistance level. We've gone through it, smashed through this area of supply here. Okay, and we're now shooting straight through, very bullish to the upside. It doesn't look like exhaustion to me. It looks like a new level being put in, and possibly a change of behavior, and a push out of this yearly downtrend, maybe for some bullish action into the next year. I don't know, but bullish, very bullish. Okay, 1 hour now. Pushed straight up through this other channel that we put in. We have this this system of channels here, and it's pushed back into the original. So if we take this one out, this was the original channel we were looking at here. Okay, it's now pushed back into the zone here, and working through the 33,500 supply target. So super bullish at the moment. It did not reject and do this pattern that we're predicting. It has in fact shot back up through here. Okay, and again, we could get this crash that I'm expecting. I'm not ruling it out. Could be occurring when we get up to 33,500 and rejects there. But I'm being cognizant of it and watching closely what price is doing. Right now, on the minute time frame, okay, like yesterday I lost 3,490 on my second trade. Thankfully I made 1,208 in the morning. This is not financial advice. It's just the way I trade. But today, launch out of the center, okay, push out of the median, push to the upside, no pullback. This is the area I was looking for a high probability trade down here. That has not at all been acknowledged. It has just been a leg out straight to the upside. Okay, massive push to the upside, and a push outside of the bands, and then a hugging of the bands, using bands as a support zone, and just continuing to the upside. So for the strategy I use, I don't do any trading in this environment. You can short that at your own peril. You most likely will lose. Your probability is very low to take trades there. So, it's more of a gamble. So I'm not touching that. Definitely not buying it. It's just, yeah, the probabilities to buy right now for further upside action too low for me, and the probabilities to sell are too low because I don't know where the power is going with this. So yeah, it's just the push to the upside that we try to avoid or stay out of. Yesterday was indicative of the same thing happening today. We talked about that this morning. Just going across here to the RSI, I am fixing this up. I know what the problem is. You can see the RSI is just smashed above 0.2 here, and it's just holding to the outside. So yeah, not a mean reverting move on the RSI at all. And yeah, just wanted to put that update in for the afternoon, coming into lunch here. I'm staying away from this completely. But yeah, happy Tuesday, and I hope this gives you some clarity on what I'm doing today. Cheers.